Hello beautiful people! Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing absolutely amazing. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today's video is all about creating this gorgeous Korean glass skin makeup look. This makeup style is fresh, so let's get started. First, I'm using my eye roller. I gently massage the under eye area to refresh tired eyes, reduce puffiness, and improve circulation. This step also helps relax the skin and prepares it beautifully before makeup. Healthy, hydrated skin is the foundation of every flawless makeup look, so I never skip this part. Next, I'm mixing a small amount of Johnson cleanser with my foundation. This is one of my favorite beauty hacks because it creates a lightweight, breathable base that blends beautifully into the skin. Instead of looking heavy or cakey, the makeup melts into the complexion and leaves a fresh, natural and hydrated finish. I'm applying the mixture evenly with a foundation brush. Making sure to blend well around the forehead, cheeks, nose, and jawline for the seamless look. Now it's time to add some color using my Pixie blush on. I apply it softly to the apples of my cheeks for a healthy, youthful flush. Then I use the same blush on my eyelids to create a soft, monochromatic makeup look. This simple trick keeps the makeup balanced, elegant, and perfect for everyday wear while using fewer products. For the final touch of glow, I'm using Iconic Liquid Shimmer. I apply a tiny amount to the high points of my face, my cheekbones, the bridge of my nose, my brow bone. A little goes a long way, creating a luminous glow without looking overly glittery. This is what gives the skin that beautiful Korean glass skin effect. I absolutely love how soft, fresh, and naturally radiant it looks. And here's the final look. The skin appears smooth, healthy, and glowing while still feeling lightweight and comfortable. I hope this tutorial inspires you to try this Korean glass skin makeup look yourself. Remember, beautiful makeup isn't about using lots of products. It's about using the right techniques and blending everything beautifully. If you enjoyed today's video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss my upcoming beauty and skincare tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. Stay beautiful, stay confident, keep smiling, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone!